Are you guys excited about going on the fastest train in the world?
Yes.
Is this the train?
This is the fastest train in the world.
No,
Yeah, it
but
is.
there's a bunch of them.
Well,
No,
this
yeah, but how fast do you think we're gonna go?
Like 200.
30 kilometers an hour.
30.
Like this.
Here it comes! So we are going to Kyoto, which is the same distance as basically Vancouver is from Calgary, where we live, and it's going to take us 2.5 hours. And from Calgary, if we took the train, it would be 13 hours. Why doesn't Canada have something like this? We're at a restaurant that we just walked into in Kyoto, and it took us about 20 minutes to order because nobody speaks English other than us, and we don't speak Japanese. And Google Translate not working very well today. So we think we're getting curry chicken.
They specialize in curry.
We think.
No, it does.
It does.
Yeah, it'll be good.
What did we just ask for?
Hot tea.
Green tea, right?
Yeah. Cheers.
And that's what we get.
Yeah.
And is it hot?
Nope.
Is it tea?
Yes.
It's tea.
And it's not sweetened, so I wanted that. I just wanted it hot, but that's okay. It's funny. Cheers to
Cheers.
ice cold tea on
Cheers.
an ice cold day. It's like 0 degrees.
We were looking for sushi or soup, and that's what we got. We got curry. And it was really good.
Is it domo? Arigato?
ありがとう、
Arigato.
どうぞ。これは僕があなた方にありがとうございます。で、僕らがありがとうございます。な、あなた方はまあありがとう OK やし、ごちそうさま。
That was like one of the best experiences ever. They're so cute.
We didn't really get too much of the video because we were talking to them, but did you get some?
No,
I hope
well,
we got
I got
some.
a little bit of you
but we
talking
talked to
to
them
the
for like
man.
45 minutes using Google Translate.
Yeah.
And oh my god, they're like the cutest little couple. I wish we
Japanese
could tell
curry.
you. I wish we could tell you the name of the restaurant in Kyoto, but
We can't
even
understand.
understand it.
I know.
But it's right here, so you gotta come take a look at it. But anyways, absolutely love Japan and the Japanese people. Gotta come back when it's warm because I am freezing. And yeah, we gotta get groceries, and hopefully our kids haven't left the house. I did lock them in though. Hopefully it didn't burn down.
Yeah, hopefully
So,
not.
but we had a
There's
really
fire
nice
extinguishers in
Airbnb, and we're gonna go see some deer that bow, and
there. A beautiful temple.
and some bamboo
Arashiyama
forest.
and maybe do an onsen, which is a traditional Japanese bath.
Yeah.
But I don't know if we can bring kids in there. I gotta look that up though.
Then we're off to Hawaii. We are going to Nara today. It's a place where there's deer that bow,
He doesn't get paid from the government.
and they just wander the streets, right?
Well, he should move to Calgary.
There's one right there, and another one.
We're looking forward to the bowing deer. We are in Nara.
We're here.
Nara, Japan.
It's actually a little bit warm
We're gonna buy
today.
some rice crackers and try to feed these I think, aggressive deer. We have to be careful though. I heard they could be kind of aggressive.
Deer.
How are you supposed to do this? Like you feed them and then they bow, or they bow and
They're
you
supposed
feed
to
them?
bow first and then you feed them.
Oh.
From what I understand.
All right.
Maybe I'm wrong. Remember, I'm only right 50% of the time.
Is it they bow first and kick you in the head, and
Yeah,
then
they might charge us for our food. That is it's kind of like the monkeys, right?
Yeah.
A little aggressive.
Okay, so they're supposed to bow first. Go try and feed him. He's bowing, see? See if he'll bow.
See, they go like this a little bit.
He's not bowing. He must not be hungry. Oh!
God.
It's fun.
Oh, they're so
they're so
They
cute.
bow to you.
Yeah, and I hate deer, so
Yeah.
because they're pests back home.
They
They
are.
eat our friend's garden.
They're probably pests here too. Probably same thing. But we came pretty far. It was like 3 train transfers.
Yeah.
Over
From
an
Kyoto.
hour walking. And we only have like 3 days, but you know what? Totally worth it.
Totally worth
Kids
it.
love animal
It was
interaction.
fun. they bow before they clash their heads together in the mating season? And they get their antlers?
Do that.
They probably bow like, let's go!
Run.
Let's do it. The Japanese deer bow before they smack their heads together.
Maybe. They're
Maybe.
polite here. They're
Very polite.
deer.
Polite than mean. There are a ton of deer here. So don't think that you're not gonna get one to feed because they're everywhere. Kind of like rabbits, but deer. This guy, he's smart. He's gone right to the vending machine, bypassing the middleman. So, but the guy won't give him any because he's not paying for it, so he doesn't know. I don't have any food. It just came out of nowhere.
Food.
Nowhere.
No food.
Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, can you sub, please?
Deers can't subscribe to channels, but you can. I think you're bowing properly. I think you need to get some training. Can you bow for me? No, you gotta go all the way down and keep your legs straight. No. Do it. Okay, nice and slow too.
1, 2,
Yeah.
3.
Bow. All right. There you go. Venture Capitale bowing training.
Oh, see you.
There, he just bowed. You gotta feed him now.
Oh my god, he's hungry.
That guy back there. Do you remember the movie Mortal Kombat? He's got the thing on his face. Kind of looks like a guy from Mortal Kombat.
Didn't watch
I
that.
think should we
What
get
is
his
that?
autograph?
Is it a video game? Turned into a movie?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
We only have like 3 days left and we're freezing, but
Not today.
not today.
It's warm.
Not really. We got like
No, it's not
4
bad.
layers of clothing on.
It's not bad.
Not too bad. Oh, you guys have smacked heads. That is
Jaden
Nara
named
Park.
one.
And we named one subscriber.
No, I named him.
Jaden named him subscriber.
So we've got a new subscriber, but he's a deer. I don't know if we'll get many views from him though.
we will on.
I
on
hope
this
so.
one.
On this
Everyone
one?
right now, go drop a like and subscribe right now.
Right now, enjoying the deer. Become a herd member.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Go to this place in Japan. You get to feed
Did I
them.
say subscribe? Subscribe. So, Jaden left his hat on the Shinkansen train yesterday and they found it, but it's in Osaka. So we gotta take the train to Osaka to get a hat, and it's gonna cost us
More than the hat cost.
more than the hat costs.
And we weren't planning to going.
But he loves that hat. Hopefully it's there, but oh, I guess we're going to Osaka. Hi, currently in Shin Osaka Station looking for the lost and found. Been walking for about 10 minutes. Sign says this way, and we keep going. And we keep going, we'll get there. Moment. Did they find his hat or somebody else's hat? That was black. Big moment. Gave him the form. He's gonna go get back there and come back with something else completely.
Imagine if
Maybe he's gonna come back with an Xbox or something.
An Xbox hat.
That's it. Yay. You excited? You like your hat?
I got a new hat.
You got a new hat.
Oh, you did.
I think we need to change our channel name to Finding Hats.
Because
I've got-
That's all we do when we
Yeah.
travel is look for hats.
Mael lost her hat twice.
Stop.
And Jaden.
Today was filled with so many amazing emotions. We love Kyoto and Nara so far and can't wait for what's next. Watch part 2 of this video where we see an amazing temple, explore the bamboo forest, and hang out with some kittens. And oh yeah, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more fun videos.
Don't wait. Don't be scared when the way paralyzes your state at the gate.